How to fix Facebook display problem. Hello everyone, in today's video we'll talk about how to fix this on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So now and first go and open the settings of your device, then go directly to apps option. Here on apps option you have to search here for Facebook. Open then it and scroll down, click on storage. Here on storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and then you have to back, click on force stop, click OK. And what's next, guys? Now you need to go to your notifications option, disallow it and allow it again, and go back and go to battery, and you have to click on optimize it. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.